Hi friends, welcome to Series T Tech News. Today we are going to discuss about switch. This is also a conditional statement. So since it is a conditional statement, the statements which we written inside the switch block will be executed based on the condition. So the syntax for this is switch in expression. That means this expression should give some value. Expression can be a plus b is the expression. So it can be any expression. And open curly brace. Here we should write cases. Case. Here the static value should be there. When this operation is performing, some value come. That value here you should give and a colon. This value is like depends on your expression. And colon here you can write a statement. And then if you want to continue execution, then you no need to make any break. But let's say for this value, only these statements needs to execute and just stop executing. Then you should use break, and there can be n number of cases that you can write. Case value 2 you can mention, colon, and the statements and break. And if you want to write, if let's say this expression is evaluated and given one value, but that value is not matched with this value 2, this value 3, but still I want to execute some block of code. So in that case you can write default colon, where you can write default statements and just closed curly brace. No need of break here because this is the last statement that we have written, so it will execute and it will come out of it. Hope you understood. We'll see one example. We need to print a day name based on the day number. That means the day number will be given by user. That can be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, because 1 is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we don't know what value the user can give, so we can write in such a way switch block switch and number we can say directly, because here the number is given by user. If there are situations where we need to calculate some value based on the given inputs, and then based on that we need to execute, that time we need to write an expression, or we need to evaluate an expression here and then give this variable here. And open curly brace. Here first case is case 1, because if 1 is given I need to print. I'm printing it like I have written yes out. It should be like system.out.println, and here I need to print Sunday. I'm thinking Sunday is the first day, so Sunday, and I no need to print anything, just I need to print Sunday and I need to come out of it. So we need to use break. Similarly case 2, if it is 2 I need to print Monday and then just break. If case 3, print Tuesday, just break. So similarly you will be writing till case 7, that is again Saturday. Then there is a chance the number can be 0 as well or 8 as well, and those cases were not written here. That time we will can provide default, and here we can say please enter valid week number or day number, something like that. And then there is no need to break because this is the last statement, so it executes and it comes out. How exactly it works? So if you are giving 1, it comes here, it will match whether this one and this one is matching or not. Since it is matching, so it will print Sunday, just break. It break means it come out of switch block. Let's say user given 2, how exactly it works? The number will be 2. 2 is equal to 1, no, false. 2 is equal to 2, true. So it prints Monday, just breaks. That means from here it will come out of it. And then let's say I have given 0. Is 0 matching with 1? No. Is 0 matching with 2? No. Is 0 with matching with 3? No. Similarly it is not matching with 4, 5, 6, 7 as well. So it is not matching with any case, so it will go to the default and it will print please enter valid day number, and it prints here. From here it will be coming out of it. Thanks for watching.